We're here to idea you, to fire up your curiosity and connect you with the people and ideas that shape our world. Watch, listen, understand, connect, and create. Let's move the human story forward together.
Hello and welcome to The Poetry of Science, a podcast which provides insight into new scientific research via the medium of poetry. I'm your host, Dr. Sam Illingworth, and each week I'll be introducing you to some of the latest scientific findings and sharing a selection of science-themed poetry. After all, we could all do with a little bit more poetry in our lives. In this episode, I'll be exploring new research which has detected the faint light of stellar corpses beside predator stars. Material drifts as dream, grand paths etched into the void, charting distance, hunger, light. Twin hearts beat as one, burning dead and bright across the stage of time. One pulse surges, its partner prey, stripped bare by gravity's maw. The core of the consumed casting off its skin in silent rage to shimmer in the stellar tide, fading in the dark for all it gave in vain. This poem is inspired by recent research published in the Astrophysical Journal, where scientists have detected the faint glow of stars stripped of gas by voracious companions, revealing cosmic cannibalism through precise telescopic measurements. Cannibalised stars result from the close encounters within binary star systems, where one star strips material from its companion. As they grow and expand, these predatory stars may engulf their neighbours, absorbing their mass and leaving behind mere cores. This interaction causes the dominant star to spin rapidly, often giving rise to B-emission star lines or B stars, which are characterised by their fast rotation and the distinctive gas disks they eject. In this study, researchers used the powerful telescopes at Georgia State Center for High Angular Resolution Astronomy, or the CHARA array, to unveil these elusive companions, previously hidden in the glare of their brighter BE stars. By detecting the faint glow of 9 stripped companions amongst the 37 BE stars, the study confirmed the theory of mass transfer leading to rapid stellar rotation. This significant finding provides a deeper understanding of stellar evolution and the dynamics of star systems, marking a pivotal step in astronomy. It not only validates the existence of these cannibalised stars, but also opens new possibilities for future research in the southern skies and ultraviolet spectrum, with tools like the Very Large Telescope Interferometer and the Hubble Space Telescope. Now that you've heard the science, let me read the poem to you again. Material drifts as dream, grand paths etched into the void, charting distance, hunger, light. Twin hearts beat as one, burning dead and bright across the stage of time. One pulse surges, its partner prey, stripped bare by gravity's maw. The core of the consumed casting off its skin in silent rage to shimmer in the stellar tide, fading in the dark for all it gave in vain. In this section of the podcast, I'd like to share a poem written by another poet on a topic related to the science that has been discussed so far. In this episode, I'll be reading Stars by Marjorie Pickthall. Marjorie Pickthall was a Canadian poet and writer, celebrated for her vivid imagery and lyrical style. Born in England in 1883, she moved to Canada as a child. Pickthall became one of the most revered poets of her time in Canada, with works known for their beauty and profound emotion. Despite her early death at 39 in 1922, her poetry, like The Drift of Pinions, left a lasting impression on Canadian literature. Stars by Marjorie Pickthall. Now in the west the slender moon lies low, and now Orion glimmers through the trees, clearing the earth with even pace and slow, and now the stately moving Pleiades In that soft infinite darkness overhead hang jewel wise upon a silver thread. And all the lonelier stars that have their place, calm lamps within the distant southern sky, and planet dust upon the edge of space, look down upon the fretful world, and I look up to outer vastness unafraid, and see the stars which sang when earth was made. Thank you for listening to the Poetry of Science.
Thank you very much for being with us for this episode of the ideaXme Show. ideaXme is a global platform. Our mission is to move the human story forward by sharing knowledge of the future. You can find us on all major audio networks at www.radioideaXme.com, on YouTube and Vimeo. Please subscribe.